Hi everyone, today's video we're going to have a mathematics tutorial review part 3. We are going to explain the continuation of the video that I uploaded last time on the part 1 and part 2. Let's start. Let's begin with the item number 26. What is the area of a circle inscribed in a square having a side of 6 centimeters? A, B, C, D. If we have a circle inscribed in a square, so the figure is just like this. And the side of the square is also equivalent to the diameter of the circle, which is 6 centimeters. The solution here is, since the area of a circle is pi r squared, if we have a diameter, the value of the radius is 1/2 of that diameter. The value of r or radius is 3 centimeters. Then, pi r squared, which is the area of the circle, is equals to pi 3 squared. The answer for this is 9 pi, letter A. Item number 27. Find the least common multiple of 5, 6, and 7. A, B, C, and D. We already talked about how to get least common multiple and the greatest common factor. And here is the solution. When you look at the numbers 5, 6, and 7, 5 and number 7 are prime numbers. The only number that we are going to factor is 6, 3 times 2. So there is no reason for us to factor that 6 because wala naman siyang makikitang identical number doon sa 5 and 7. In short, all you have to do here is just multiply the value of 5, 6, and 7. So 5 times 6 times 7 is equals to 210. So that is the LCM of 5, 6, and 7. Number 28. The product of 18 and an integer is 1,836. The integer is blank. A, B, C, or D. Here, if you see a product of a number and the unknown integer where the answer is 1,836, all you have to do is divide that 1,836 over 18. So we have 102. The correct answer for that is letter C. Number 29. What is the amount due on 10,000 pesos after adding the annual interest of 12% for 5 years? A, B, C, D. Solution here is apply the percent formula. Part equals to percent times whole. Part equals to the value of percent is converted into decimal 0.12 times the whole 10,000. Part equals to 1,200. Since it is 5 years, we are going to multiply 5. It is equals to 6,000 pesos. Then, 10,000 added to 6,000 is 16,000. Correct answer for that is letter D. Number 30. 3 consecutive numbers have a sum of 117. What are the numbers? A, B, C, D. Let us look at the last digit of every given choices. Letter A, 4 plus 5 plus 6. The answer for that is 15 or 5 last digit niya. So eliminated kaagad yung A. Letter B, 0 plus 1 plus 2. Eliminated na rin kasi 3 ang last digit number niya. Letter D, 7 plus 8 plus 9 is 24. Last digit niya is 4. Hindi tugma doon sa last digit na 117. The only option that is very close to the given problem is letter C. But let us try the mathematical concept on how to solve on that given problem. Solution. X plus 1 plus x plus 2 equals 17. X to be followed by plus 1 to be followed by plus 2 and so forth. We are going to add x's. We have 3x and the numbers 1 plus 2 is 3 equals or equate it to 117. 3x plus 3 using the elimination process, which is subtracting both sides. Eliminate 3. We have 3x equals to 114. Divide both sides by 3. Eliminate the number 3. 114 divided by 3. X equals to 38. That's gonna be the first number. Therefore, numbers are 38, 39, and 40. So the assumption that we had is correct. C. Number 31. A company supervisor had incurred the following expenses in his trips to Vegan: 3,200, 2,800, 2,500, 1,500. What percent of his total monthly budget of 40,000 did he spend for his trip? A, B, C, or D? We always go back to the percentage formula, but before that, we are going to add the all expenses. 3,200 plus 2,008 plus 25 plus 15 is equivalent to 10,000. That's the total expenses that a company supervisor had incurred. Percent equals to part divided by whole. 10,000 divided by 40,000, we have 0.25. We multiply it by 100. So it's just the same. 25%, letter D. 32. An isosceles triangle has a base of 2 meters and a perimeter of 12 meters. What is the length of the other side? A, B, C, and D. The isosceles triangle is a triangle where two sides of equal length. Three sides of a triangle where two of them have the same length. Perimeter of that is 12 meter. We need to subtract it by 2 meter because the base is 2 meter. So we had the remaining of 10 meter. We need to divide 10 into 2 equal sides. Therefore, we have 5 meters. Letter D. Number 33. The grades in mathematics of the students in section B are as follows: 80, 75, 60, 95, 100. What is the population variance of the group? A, B, C, D. Determine the mean of the score average. You just add it and divide by the number of scores and find the square of each score minus the mean, then find the total score. We have 1,030. Then that answer divide by total score of 5. We got 206. The answer for letter B. Number 34. What is the exponent in the expression 13x squared plus y? A, B, C, D. The A raised to the power of B, where A is the base and B is the exponent. Simply, the answer is 2. Number 35. Find the greatest common divisor of 24, 45, and 5. A, B, C, D. Remember that we need to find the greatest common divisor, not the greatest common factor. Greatest common divisor also be the least common multiple or LCM. So alam naman natin kung paano magkuha ng LCM. So prime factorization lang yung kailangan dyan. The answer for that is 1. Bakit? Wala tayong ma-factor sa 5, 45, and 24 na merong identical number. Number 36. The thousandth digit of the number 1,234.5678 is A, B, C, D. Remember the thousandths na may THS or place value is after the decimal point that starts with tenths we have 5. Hundreds, we have 6. And thousands, we have 7. The answer for this is letter B. Number 37. Sabri has 15,000 pesos in the bank. After a year, he expects it to earn 750 pesos. What is the rate of interest? So, pag sinabing rate, percentage. So, percentage formula na naman tayo dito. Solution for this is rate equals to part divided by whole. We are going to divide 750 divided by 15,000. We got 0.05. Convert it to percent. We got times 100 or move decimal. We got 5%. Letter C. Number 38. Which of the following is proportion? A, B, C, D. We need to understand about ratio and proportion. B and D is called the outer values. That B and C are called the inner values. This is the solution. The product of outer values must be equal to the product of inner values. Let's try one by one. Letter B, if we multiply outer and inner, hindi siya mag-i-equate dahil 72 tsaka 48. Letter C, same, hindi rin nag-i-equate. 4 times 10 is 40, 5 times 12 is 60. So they are not equal. Letter D, 1 half times 2 is 1, 7 times 5 is 35, mas lalo na siya hindi equal. But in letter A, we got 5 times 12 is 60, 4 times 15 is also 60. So that answer is A. Number 39. 1/8 in percent is A, B, C, D. All you have to do is divide 1 divided by 8. The answer for that is 0.125. Just multiply it by 100. Then we got 12.5, or move the decimal point of 0.125 to the right twice. Same will be the answer is 12.5. Letter B. Number 40. What is the value of 3.5 kilograms in grams? A, B, C, or D? Isa sa mga technique na kung saan ay madali tayong makapag-convert ng metric units. Metric system, we have the distances as meter, or maybe kilometer, or maybe centimeter. Then we also have volume as liter, or maybe kiloliter, deciliter, milliliter. And also we have weight. In terms of weight, we have gram. Pwede rin siya maging kilogram or milligram. Here is the pattern na kailangan nating imamaster. It is composed of some unit in a range from the least to the biggest. The first one is the milli, to be followed by centi, then deci, then yung gitna, yun na yung magiging meter as distance, liter as volume, gram as weight. So, dyan po sila dapat nasa gitna. Then, right after that, to be followed by deca, hecto, kilo. Ibig sabihin, kung distance, millimeter. Kung volume, milliliter. Kung weight, milligram. Doon naman sa dulo, kung distance, kilometer. Kung volume, kiloliter. Kung weight, kilogram. Every interval, meron siyang 10 units. Ayan. So, lahat sila ay merong tag 10 units. Ano ibig sabihin yan? In 1 centimeter, halimbawa, is equivalent to 10 millimeter. Kung doon naman sa kabila, in 1 kilogram is equivalent to 10 hectogram. Solution 1. Marami tayong ibibigay na solution. Ito yung pinaka-common na solution na binibigay sa loob ng klase. Or maghanap tayo ng equivalent from kilogram to hectogram to deca hanggang sa gram. Eliminate that kilogram also. Yan. Hectogram, tanggalin. Decagram, tatanggalin. Multiply it to 1,000 kasi 3 beses yung 10 eh. Magiging 3,500 gram. Solution 2. Count the spacing from kilo to gram, then multiply by number of spacing by 10. 3.5 times 10 times 10 times 10 is 3,500 gram. At ang pinakamadaling solusyon is solution 3. Move decimal point to the right referring to the number of spacing. So magmo-move lang po tayo from 3.5 to the right. So magmo-move lang tayo ng 3 beses kasi 3 steps ang layo ng kilo sa gram. So meaning we have 3,500 gram. Correct answer for that, they have the same answer. Letter C. Ayan, hanggang dyan na muna tayo at kung meron pa tayong gustong i-upload na video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Teacher Mark po, ang inyong lingkod at Trademark TV. Thank you and have a nice day.